Today we're checking out something quite unique, the Noctua NV-FS1 desk, room and multi-purpose fan set. Designed for versatile cooling applications, whether at home, in the office or in your workshop, this kit promises flexibility, powerful airflow and distinctly industrial aesthetic. The packaging is sleek and professional, mainly black with subtle brown highlights. On the front you'll get a clear overview, while the back and sides provide more detailed information. Inside the box you've got everything you'll need. You've got the power supply with interchangeable UK, EU and US adapters. There is also a PWM male to female cable, a controller box and connecting cable. You get a handy bag containing cable ties, screws and raw plugs, and of course you also get the NF A12x25 PWM fan, a sturdy bracket and a protective grille, though these parts aren't pre-assembled. Installation is straightforward. First thing to make sure though is make sure you've got everything aligned the right way up, otherwise your logos will be upside down. Next you will need to remove the plugs from the grille, attach the plugs into the fan frame, then align the fan, the bracket and the grille together and push in the pins so they grip into the plugs. The fan certainly stands out, embracing an industrial, robust look, chunky, solid and entirely black. The base of the frame features magnets, ideal for securing the fan to a metal surface, along with screw points if you prefer a more permanent mounting. The frame also adjusts to support larger 140mm fans, although you'll need to source compatible grills and ducting separately for these. The cabling system here is modular and extensive, and a little bit over-engineered if you ask me. It's very unlike typical desk fans with a single built-in cable. The cable consists of the power supply, which has got a built-in cable, a controller connection cable which goes from the power supply to the controller, and then from the controller another cable then goes to the fan itself. The controller itself is pretty user friendly. It includes a simple knob for speed control, a dedicated button ensures a minimal airflow at 3000 RPM even when set to a low or off mode, and there is also two LED indicators clearly showing speed setting and operational status. The fan can be used for various different tasks. You can use it as a desk fan for personal cooling while gaming or working, as a targeted airflow solution, ideal for cooling sweaty hands during intense gaming sessions, or you could even use it as an extractor fan for workshops, notably for tasks like soldering. Overall, the Noctua NV-FS1 is an impressive modular cooling solution, uniquely combining flexibility and robust build quality. Its industrial appearance and premium price may not appeal to everyone, but dedicated fans of Noctua will appreciate the strong airflow and practical design. This is not your average fan, but that's precisely what makes it stand out. The TechMax Expo 25 is the UK's top tech trade show, bringing together hundreds of IT professionals. It's a great opportunity to strengthen relationships with vendors and distributors while networking with industry leaders. You can explore the latest tech and services for growing your IT business. There is also thousands of pounds of prizes up for grabs. And not only that, it's free to attend the day event. The event takes place on the 27th of June 2025 at Magna Adventure and Science Centre near Meadowhall in Sheffield. Features include a live tech awards ceremony, evening retro entertainment, meeting areas and interactive demos. Can you afford not to be one of the 800 IT professionals who are expected to attend? Registration is now open at tftmax.com. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.